Everyone like, share and subscribe our channel and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever new video
Good evening,
is.
students. Today we are going to discuss first exercise of trigonometric function. In first exercise, there is two formula which are used in solving the some questions. If in the question radian measure is given, then convert into degree measure, and if degree measure is given, then convert into radian measure. Okay. Then what is the relation between degree to radian? Then 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian, and 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree, and the third formula which are used in this exercise, angle equal to length of arc upon radius. Okay, means if an arc subscribe an angle on the center of circle, then this is formula for the angle. Okay, now look at this question. Find the radian measure of minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. So this is minute. So first we will convert it into degree. Minus 47 degree, when it divides by 60, then it convert into degree. It means minus 47 degree, and this becomes half, that is 1 upon half degree. Now what is the value of this whole? 2 7 ja 14. This is 94 plus 1 upon 2 whole degree. Then 95 upon 2 into whole degree. Now this convert into the degree. After that, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So we do the multiplying by pi upon 180. Then degree converted into radian. This becomes radian. Okay. And solve it. Divide by 5. 5 ja 5. 5 9 ja 5 3 ja 15. And 5 6 ja. Again divide. This is not divide. Then what is the answer? Answer is 19 pi upon 36 to the 72 radian. Clear? Shruti, are you clear? Okay. Now understand the second one. In this question, find the degree measure of 11 upon 16 radian. That is, radian measure is given, and we have to find out the degree measure. Then 11 upon 16 radian is equal to 11 upon 16, and which formula we will use? 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degree. So we do the multiply by 180 upon pi. Then this convert into radian measure. Sorry, degree measure. Okay. Now in degree measure, we see that this is 50 degree or 45 degree. It means there is no pi. So here we will put the value of pi. Then 11 upon 16 multiply 180 upon what is value of pi? Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Then now 11 upon 16 multiply 180 and 7 comes up 7 or upon 22. Now solve it. Divide by 2. 11 cancel out. Then by 2 extra 45. Now what is the result? 7 factor 35 315 upon 8 degree. But divide by 8. That 24 7 5 9 just 72 then 3. This means 39 is the whole part. So 39 is the degree and 3 upon 8 is also degree, but it is fraction, so we will convert it into minute. Okay, so we do the multiply by 60, then it convert into minute. And 39 again divide by 4 to the 8 1 5. Then 15 to the 45 upon 2. Now divide by 45 to 2 means half of 45, then this is equal to 22 and half. Okay, so 39 degree and 22 and half means 22 minute and half minute. Here half is also minute. Then again we convert into second. Then we do the multiply by 60. Then it convert into second. Now divide it. Then this become 30. Then 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 second. This is your answer. Okay? Understand? Now we will discuss the next one question. What is the question? Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22 cm. In this question, radius of circle is 100 cm. Like this is circle of center O, then its radius is 100 cm. And we have to find the measure of angle subtended at the center of circle. This is center of circle by an arc of length 22 cm. If we take this arc is 22 cm, then what is angle subtended by this arc? Then angle is, this is the angle subtended by this arc at the center of circle. Then we have to find this angle. Then what is the formula for this? Formula is angle is equal to length of arc upon radius. So use this formula. Angle subtended by arc at the center is equal to length of arc upon radius. Length of arc is 22 cm and radius is 100 cm. Now this angle becomes in radian. Solve it. Now again, in this question we have to find the degree measure, so we will convert it into degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi, 180 upon pi degree. Now put the value of pi. What is value of pi? 22 upon 7, and when we solve it, then we will get the final answer. Put the value of pi, 22 upon 7. Now solve it. 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja, again 2, 90, 0, 9 7 ja, 63 upon 5 degree. But convert it into minute and second, then (12 degree and 3 upon 5 fraction), and 12 degree and 3 upon 5 fraction. This is, so also convert it into minute, and after that convert it into second. 12 degree 3 upon 5 we will multiply by 60, then it convert into minute, then 5 1 ja, and 12. The 12 degree and 12 3 ja, 36 minute. Now this is the answer. This angle subtended by 22 centimeter length of arc made by on the center of circle. Clear?